Boom! It's a boy Face Skull, and this is the top 10 dancehall countdown. Let's go.
330 and the 5 series just drop. And Jagger said the Benz must drop in high summer. He couldn't have a food chains, can a copy runner.
Fuck. Yeah, my scene St. John Chow. Listen what me tell like a car so. Pretty little mommy on your brand so.
If I would just land multi-link Sagicor, my fuck them best bitch. Nobody know she a swing pan the pole, pan the knot, pan the core. I live my farm, I go rise back. True believe I'm a fighter. Tell poverty pack up before nightfall. I'm from rocks.
Don't know the style, I on the box still with the Kyle. I remember the girls are drugs. But too much in the world, want love. If I no money.
That's sore, I'm still chopper, I know that's cool. Can't kick, oh that score. Yeah, I'm skilling, I give my rush.
Want a one and done. I your choice if you want, give me that. Man, not ready if you settle down. Your friend I move like.
Yeah, one favor. Broke off mood for me. From being on something we afraid of. Broke off mood.
Put a little pressure on me and so. Put your pan and back as no me darling. No fucking at the night till I fuck.
The sun in the sky, unless it's last night time. You're looking at me eye and I give me the right wine. I like your personality, message say you like my.
Alright guys, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs on YouTube. Leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what's your favorite dancehall songs. Until next time, Face Skull out. Boom!